Welcome to English and Everything. Learn real English through stories. Hi everyone, I'm Anne, and this is a day in my life. I hope it helps you learn some everyday English in a fun and simple way. We'll go step by step through my routine, and I'll explain useful words and phrases along the way. So, let's begin. Morning routine. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do, I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. I always feel a bit sleepy at first. Then I say to myself, okay, Anne, let's start the day. I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth. It's part of my daily routine. I never skip it. I wash my face, and sometimes I like to splash cold water on my face to really wake up. Then it's time for breakfast. Today I'm keeping it simple, toast and coffee. Sometimes I also add fruit, like a banana or apple. While I eat, I usually check my phone, messages, weather, maybe a little news. I think to myself, this is my quiet time, just me and my coffee. Words to remember. Wake up to stop sleeping. Stretch to move your body after sleeping. Brush teeth, clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Quiet time, peaceful, personal time in the morning. Getting ready and commuting. After breakfast, I get dressed. Since I'm going to work today, I wear something comfortable but professional, a blouse and jeans. I pack my bag, check if I have my phone, wallet, and keys, and then head out. I usually take the bus. It's a short ride, maybe 20 minutes. Sometimes it's really crowded, but today, I'm lucky. I find a seat near the window. I smile at the person next to me and ask, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" They say no, so I sit down. I like listening to music or a podcast while commuting. It helps me relax and gets me ready for the day ahead. Useful phrases. Excuse me to politely get someone's attention. Is this seat taken? To ask if you can sit. Commute, travel between home and work or school. Work life. When I get to the office, I greet my co-workers with a smile and a simple good morning. We usually have a short team meeting. Today, my manager says, "Let's talk about the new project." Then, one of my co-workers asks me, "Anne, what do you think about this idea?" I say, "I think it's a great idea. Let's try it." We all share our thoughts. Sometimes we agree, sometimes we don't, but we always listen to each other. After the meeting, I sit at my desk and start working. I check emails, organize my tasks, and begin working on a report that's due this week. Words to remember. Meeting, a group discussion. Project, a task or assignment. Share thoughts, give your opinion. Do something that must be done by a certain time. Lunch break. Around 1 p.m., it's time for lunch. My favorite part of the day. I go to the break room and sit with a few co-workers. We bring food from home or order something simple like sandwiches. Today I have rice with vegetables and chicken, homemade and delicious. While eating, one of my friends asks, "So Anne, how was your weekend?" I smile and say, "It was amazing. I visited my cousin and we went hiking in the hills." We all share stories and laugh together. It's a nice break from work. Useful phrases. How was your weekend? A friendly way to start conversation. It was amazing, the positive answer. Break room, the place where employees eat or relax. Back to work. After lunch, I go back to my desk. This part of the day is usually quieter. People are more focused, and the office feels calm. I finish my report and double-check everything. Before the day ends, I make a list of what to do tomorrow. This helps me stay organized and less stressed. Evening routine. By 6 p.m., it's time to go home. I feel a little tired, but happy the day went well. At home, I change into something comfortable, usually pajamas or soft clothes. Then I make dinner. Today it's pasta with vegetables. I love cooking. It helps me unwind after work. After dinner, I spend some time doing yoga. Even just 15 minutes helps me feel calm and relaxed. Sometimes, I light a candle, turn on soft music, and stretch. I think, I feel a bit stressed today, time to unwind. Later, I might watch a show or read a book before bed. I try not to use my phone too much at night. It helps me sleep better. Words to remember. Unwind, to relax. Stressed, feeling worried or tired. Calm, peaceful, not busy or noisy. Pajamas, clothes for sleeping. Ending the day. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again and wash my face. Then I lie down, close my eyes, and think about the good moments from the day. Sometimes I say to myself, today was a good day. I'm thankful. And that's it, a normal day in my life. Thanks for spending the day with me. I hope you learned some new English words and phrases along the way. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.